Hello guys. So it's so today I'm gonna teach you a way to get Coca-Cola without your parents knowing. So first you ask for a Coke slushie. If they let you do it, you'll be nice. You'll be fine because if you do, all you'll need to do is let it sit out there and melt, and then it'll turn into this delicious thing. Refreshing. And then if you solve these questions, you can rule the world and get a Jolly Rancher sucker. So, first, it's what's 1 times 1? 3. Look at this dude. Okay, if you answer 3, you're wrong. It is 1. So what's 20 times 5? 1,028? Look at this dude. Look at the top of his head. It's 100. If you answered 1,026, you're wrong. Now bye-bye. I have to give you all the candy in the world. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ooh, yeah. Nice.